What's up guys, welcome back to 5W Tech. So it's another Wednesday and I'm bringing you another weekly Wednesday tech review video. That's right. So I've committed to giving you guys a tech review video every Wednesday. Now that's going great. I've been doing those videos and they're going super well. There's just one problem. I'm running out of tech to review. Normally that's a great thing. That means new tech will be coming in. But because of the way my channel is set up, low subscribers, I need to get up to that 1,000 point so I can get new tech. So if you guys can help me out by smashing that sub button, giving me a like on this video, that's gonna help me achieve my target. So with that being said, there's one thing that I didn't actually really review. And that is my console killer build. If you're new to my channel, you need to check out the two videos that I've recently done. My Node 202 console killer build and my Samsung Q80T 4K TV review. With those two reviews together, I've put together a really nice basement gaming setup, which I'm pretty proud of and I really enjoy. It helps me break away from my main rig in my gaming room to come down to a different environment and just have more fun, have a bigger space, and get away from everything. So with that being said, I never actually included any benchmarks with the build. I forgot to show what the performance was at 4K, 2K, 1080p, you know, the usual that you see on every other channel. This build is really unique because I put it together with specific parts, hoping that everything would go together and not give me any issues down the road. When I say issues, I mean thermals, I mean temperatures. Remember, the Node 202 is a really small build, and shoving all these high performance parts inside of it can usually result in a bad thing. Thankfully, I was able to get everything done through some fine tuning and everything is working out pretty well. However, I don't recommend people do it. I'm gonna go ahead and just say that if you really want to build the Node 202, then go for it. But other than that, you can find other cases that you can work with and they'll give you much better results and they'll look better. So guys, today we're reviewing 5 games. 5W Tech, 5 games. That's how it works. So we're gonna be doing 5 games and we're gonna be benchmarking it at 4K, 2K, and 1080p, the most famous resolutions. So I picked 5 games out of my Steam library. Actually, a couple of them came from Blizzard as well. So that means 2. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I'm reviewing the 5 games today at the 3 popular resolutions. So we're gonna jump right into those benchmarks and then we'll come right back. So guys, I wanted to mention something really quickly. Because of the Node 202 complications and thermals, don't forget that my RTX 3070 has been undervolted a bit. And because of the extreme undervolt, I did have to drop the megahertz a little bit. So yes, I do have the OC version, but I'm not fully leveraging the overclock on my Asus Dual 3070 because of the thermals, which is also why I'm considering changing my case one day. If you guys have any suggestions on what case I should be running, knowing that I like small compact form factor, let me know in the comments down below because I am itching to get rid of the Node 202. Get out of the way. Oh, right, sorry. I told you guys I'd be back. So guys, there you have it there, the benchmark results with the RTX 3070 inside my Node 202 coupled with an Intel 10400 CPU. Everything went well for me. I rather enjoy playing on this system. Like I said, the temperatures can get a little bit out of hand sometimes, and thus why I had to do the undervolt. With the undervolt, everything is good, but I'm not maximizing the performance from the RTX 3070. Which is a shame because I have the OC version. So guys, the biggest mod I could do right now to get more performance is just change my case, which I really want to. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and a subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below what case I should get. What should I do? Should I go from something extremely closed to something extremely open, like the Thermaltake Core P1? That might be an idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and please stay tuned for a tech review every Wednesday. So stay tuned guys, and I'll see you in the next one.